In this video, we will talk about some trigonometric functions, domain, range. So first, we have y equals to cotangent x. Its domain is x belongs to R, x not equals to n pi, where n belongs to z. Range of cotangent x is all real numbers. Here is the graph that shows the domain and range of real number. We can see that the range is all real numbers and the domain is all real numbers excluding the integral multiples of pi. Next we have secant x. Its domain is x belongs to R, x is not equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 and n belongs to z, and its range is y is greater than or equal to 1 or y is less than or equal to minus 1. The graph of secant x is this. This graph shows that the range of y will be 1 or minus 1. As we can see, the point of these curves are lie on minus 1 or 1. Next is cosecant x. Its domain is x belongs to R, x is not equals to n pi, and where n belongs to z. And range is y is greater than equal to 1 or y is less than equal to minus 1. The graph of cosecant and secant are pretty much same. Here we can see that the range our function lies between 1 and minus 1, and its domain include all real number except the multiples of n pi. Next, inverse trigonometric functions. Y equals to cot inverse x. Its domain is minus infinity to infinity or all real numbers. And the range of cotangent inverse x is 0 less than y less than pi. It means that we can get only our answer from 0 to pi as shown in the graph, but we can input all real numbers of x. Next is secant inverse x. Its domain is x greater than equal to 1 or x less than equal to minus 1. Mean we can put all values of x except 0 and the value can be 1 or minus 1, and we can obtain the answer from 0 to pi, but pi by 2 is missing as shown in the graph. The line does not touch pi by 2. Next is cosecant inverse x. Its domain is x greater than equal to 1 or x less than equal to minus 1, and its range include minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and y cannot be 0. As shown in the graph, we can put any value except for 0 and we can obtain the curves from pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, but 0 cannot be in that curve.